doesn't this bracelet look beautiful? Let me show you how to do it. So I have taken this stretchable string which is thrice the size of my wrist, and now I'm passing one bead through it, and on the opposite side I will crisscross the string in this way. Once I have crisscrossed it, holding the ends of the string together like this, I will pull the bead towards the center, dragging it downwards. See, that's exactly the center. And then the same color bead I will pass one each through the string. Now remember friends, you all will need 3 beads each of the same color to make this kind of pattern. And that's it. Once you have this done and you hold it together, this is the shape it will start forming as and when you go further making the bracelet. So I'll just show you with the other bead as well. Take a bead, crisscross the string in this way. Once you have crossed the string like this, holding the ends of the string together, drag the bead downwards towards the center. So in this way your string is not going to be unequal. It will be equal each time you place the bracelet. Once you are done with the crisscross bead, you have to place single beads in each string of the same color. Now this is the pattern that I have followed. Y'all can try a different kind of look depending on what y'all want your bracelet to look like. So this is how the pattern will go moving forward, and let me show you what it looks like when it's almost done. So here I am at the last bit, and this is my final 2 beads in each string. Thereafter I will take the string that I have and crisscross it at the first bead. See this bead that I have, right? I will crisscross it on this first bead that I started with. So just take this from one side, bring it out on the other side. The same goes on the other side. From one side you put it in and bring it out from the other side. Making this thing does not take too much time because the beads are not very tiny. If they were tiny, it would take time if you're making a ring with this kind of pattern with tiny beads. So this is how it will look once you wear it. It looks really elegant, doesn't it? Now it's time to tighten this up. So in order to tighten this bracelet up, we'll tie knots. With this pulling elastic kind of string, you have to tie many knots in order to ensure that it does not open up easily. So I have tied here around 4 to 5 knots, okay? And also you have to remember while testing, you have to see that the bracelet does not loosen up from both the sides, not only from the knotted end but even from the inner side of the bracelet. You have to pull and see if the knot is loosening up. See, in this way. So if the knot loosens up, you still need to make a knot. So you'll keep doing maximum 5 knots is more than enough, and just pull the string tight so that the knot is secure and in place. And this is finally done. Cut off the extra string that we have. That's it. And then my trick add a bit of fabric glue at the end of it so that the knot doesn't open up. And friends, this is the final look of the bracelet.